This video shows how to buy shares of Wintrust Financial Corporation, a Chicago area bank holding company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker WTFC. This is an educational guide only and not financial advice. Consider researching and consulting a professional before investing. To buy WTFC, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with a photo ID, and add funds to be able to place an order. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker WTFC to find Wintrust Financial Corporation. Select the result that shows the NASDAQ listing to ensure you have the correct stock. On the stock page, review basic company information and the price chart to confirm you are viewing Wintrust Financial Corporation. Check the NASDAQ label and the WTFC symbol to verify the asset. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may execute in the next session. And if you have insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the trade is placed, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A gentle reminder, the link to eToro is in the description below.